Na ano babo, kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community, as well as discovering places for you to check out. For today's vlog, so kasama natin si Sir Harold of the Citi Food.
Yeah.
Sir Harold, please say hi to our We're in Pampanga viewers.
Hey, hi viewers, and very pleased to be here. Sir Louie, because we're in Pampanga.
So if you recall guys, we were able to feature their food dun sa previous vlog natin with them. So, sir, yung mga pinadala niya sa amin nun were really huge.
Within the city, kami talaga yung makikita mo na we have the largest kimbap. Like,
almost a small platter.
No? We have a lot of customers binibigyan nila yung feedback nila. And then, okay naman, masandingit ang feedback na kasi most of them, they can even finish ng one single kimbap with the slices like enough ng half na nila.
Correct.
Kami kasi mahilig din kami ng Korean food, mostly kimbap. So, why not create our own? And then, start kami mga ito, experiment with the ingredients. And then, to be fair, with the price, we came up with that size. Lalo na nung ito yung magkagagamit ng product namin. And then, ito nga, with the kimbap, you have the rice and the egg. Like, really huge egg kimbap. They are good for diet. We make sure each ingredient is fresh talaga. Like, we check all of them, have them clean. We really like go to the market on that same day na serve
And then cook them.
Yeah.
Now, another products we were able to show dun sa video natin are your teatox.
Yeah.
For the word detox, now it's teatox.
Yeah, we use that branding.
Yes.
Kasi most of the small businesses, they use water-based detox. So, ayun si Misis, kaya mag-cleansing yan. Why not? Kasi mahilig ako sa tea. What tamang gawang base, or base for the drink is tea. So, that's why she came up with the mixes for the tea.
Amazing. So, for the teatox, sir, how many flavors do you have as of now?
Right now, with this new line, 14 flavors.
So far, sir, what are your favorites there?
Well, since I like all of them, product nila, pero I have one personal favorite. Itong apple cinnamon, which is one of our new ones.
Okay.
It has antioxidants, but most of them have antioxidants. Pero since it's also infused with apple. So, you know what they say, right?
Yes.
An apple
a day. Keeps the doctor away. Let me just finish it there.
Yeah, that's why we always have apples in them, lemons, and mint. Mint and lemon lang, they're already good with vitamin C. Okay. So, most of them are really immunity boosters.
Let's talk about your name, sir. The Citi Food. And I saw yung website po ninyo. It's really well designed. Why the Citi Food? Bakit po ganun yung pangalan?
Citifood, we came up with that name because we wanna well, it's already infused in the urban culture, the rural cooking that we have, and infused it more into the city life.
Yes.
So, aside from the Korean line that we have right now on the menu, in the future, probably in a month or two, we will try to introduce
Kapampangan cuisine.
Siyempre, kapampangan tamo, our lovely chef would be giving her own twist on kapampangan dishes. But it doesn't really go way too far from the original.
Alright, amazing guys. Mga bago pong products na nakikita ko dito that you weren't able to deliver before are your cakes.
This is more of our support for the local businesses. We have partnered with a local bake shop in support of their own business. It's very challenging.
Hard these days,
So we want to also support them with their own business. We partnered up with them, and then now we have their cakes with ours.
So these are already available sa menu po ninyo?
Yes, they are available.
The Citi Food is an online restaurant.
Yes, it is an online restaurant. But they can go send us a message on the Facebook page. You can also go to the website. You can go ahead and click on your cart, add items, and then go and check out. You can still place orders and pay COD.
Alright, lastly, let's talk about yung cost po na nakita ko dun sa fan page ninyo. So, tell us more about it.
It is a trying time for us here in Pampanga. So, especially with our kids. All our kids going back to school.
Yes.
And then with the new normal, as they call it, tamang pumunta eskwela. So kids would need to stay at home to do their lessons. We thought about na isang challenge life with putting up their own computers at home. So we came up with this idea, and why not put like a fundraising campaign for them, or at least for us to at least help our kids.
Wow, okay.
Well, we want to drive the teatox line in line with this campaign. So for each 500 bottles na mabibenta natin, we get to have a computer set and bundled together with an internet connection para makakapag-class.
Let me clarify that, no, Sir Harold. So for every 500, you get a recipient.
Yeah.
So for example, you're able to sell 1,000, you get 2 recipients.
Yes.
So kind-hearted.
Nakita namin kasi sir yung challenge mostly with the parents in providing and the continuance of their education of the kids. So we want to help out.
Wow.
And since teatox is one of the great lines that we have right now, so we want to put it there.
Wow. Grabe. So aside from, driving a business, meron din tayo dito for a cause that So guys, if you are interested to check out these teatox and drink healthy concoctions, if I may say that, why not try teatox? At the same time, you are helping a less fortunate kid can continue still education.
Yes. Not everyone would have the privilege na magkaroon ng access to the internet and a computer that they can use at home. So we'll drive for that, help as many as we can with the line.
Okay. Wow. So, Kenny sir, I think this is one interesting thing.
Yeah, that's 3.5 din.
Bakit in-half?
Kasi yung kasing portion na may isang berry na limit talaga pwede ate.
Not the whole berry.
Not the whole berry.
Pero guys, syempre mas mayaman na po rin if they are chilled.
You chill it.
Chill.
Like an hour or two. Mayaman na.
Yung akin naman is yung perfect peach tea.
Madalang kasi yung peach sa tea. So we tried like experimenting what goes best with peach, and then that came out.
Peach tea. So let's taste it.
Try.
Wow. This one is parang it's a soft strawberry jam drink. Parang gano'n yung not really strong in sweetness, but just the right amount of
Ma-pack niya with flavor, the right on berries.
Yes.
You add everything in there.
This one din is, malalasan mo talaga yung mint, yung peach, and yung lemon. Parang perfect nga talaga yung mixture niya.
Pag nag-order sila, we usually recommend na they order today and then we have it delivered to them tomorrow.
Following day.
Because we need to have the tea and the fruits used together properly. Kaya we usually tell them or tell our customers na you order today and then we have it delivered tomorrow.
Parang give it some time.
Yeah, give it some time to cure or use together.
Parang love lang yan na So each bottle, sir, has their own health benefits.
Yes, you would have on the other side of the bottle yung mga health benefits nila.
What is the best time na iniinom yung mga
If you're drinking this, like if you're in the office, I wouldn't suggest it kasi they recommend bowel movement or it improves bowel movement. That's one of the good benefits. So we usually drink this around in the evening or in the afternoon. Pero if you're just at home, like
any time of the day.
Any time of the day, like most other people who are right now inside their home.
So basically, it improves our digestive system.
Yeah, that's one good benefit. That's why you have most of them, well, all of them have chia seeds.
Check that out.
Yeah.
Now for your cakes, sir, so right now we have this
This is carrot cake. This is papaya. And then you have the
blueberry cheesecake, and then the red velvet.
Great thing to do here.
Yes, ano pa ba?
I mean, whenever you order this, parang, you're thinking about your calorie, your sugar. Pero, right after indulging with a sweet experience, mag-teatox.
Yes, definitely have the teatox line to go with the cake.
Kumbaga, ito yung pang-contra dun sa
Ito yung pampaalis guilt natin dyan. So, such an amazing time with Sir Harold. Thank you for sharing your inspiration as well as your advocacy.
We're inviting all our customers to try out the new line. So we have the 300 ml bottles now, which you can avail. Go to our website, thecitifood.com, para makita nyo yung prices and also the benefits for each of the line that we have.
Thank you so much, Sir Harold, for your time, and we appreciate your time as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, lalong-lalo na po yung friend mo na nangangailangan ng healthy drink dyan.
And mga
Nagdadaya. Anyway, so guys, stay safe, stay at home. We hope to see you on the next video. Peace out. Bye!